Here we have to find x and y. If we first of all look at x and the size of it, it looks same sort of size as 150, and that's no coincidence. If we trace out the angle 150 and then trace out the angle x, what you'll see is these lines are parallel here and here, and they're cut. These two lines are cut by this transversal, this line here, and you can see sort of if you turn your page and reflected it, an F sort of shape, which means that these two angles are what's called corresponding, so they're the same size, so they're both 150. Y is not as easy to get the answer straight away, but if you look at the 85, it's on the other angle that's there, that angle 85. If we extend it up, it's corresponding up there. So this angle and this angle are corresponding, which makes that 85. What you'll notice now is that the y and the 85 are on a straight line. So you could say that y plus 85 equals 180, which would make y 95.